question asks us to predict which structure of this pair will have a higher bond dissociation energy. A higher bond dissociation energy means that we need more energy inputted into the system in order to break the carbon-hydrogen bond, which means that carbon-hydrogen bond is stronger. The resulting carbon radical, will be less stable as a result. So let's look at the resulting carbon radicals in each case. For this structure, we will form a secondary carbon radical versus this other structure where we will form a tertiary carbon radical. A tertiary carbon radical is more stable than a secondary carbon radical. It will be easier to form than a secondary carbon radical, which means this carbon-hydrogen bond will be easier to break. If this carbon-hydrogen bond is easier to break, that means it requires less energy to break the bond, which means it will have a smaller bond dissociation energy. That means the molecule on the left, which is harder to break, will have a higher bond dissociation energy than the molecule on the right.